The Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian or the KGP Synod Sepngi organised the third inter-school sports meet at the Khatsao Pra College Playground in Mairang zone, aiming to promote physical development among school children alongside academic excellence. The event featured various athletic competitions with participation from 13 schools across Mairang region. Medbak Lingdok, chairman of the Meghalaya State Planning Board and local MLA, attended the occasion alongside other dignitaries, church members, teachers and enthusiastic students. In his address, Lingdok praised KGP Synod Sepngi's mission schools for their contribution to education and highlighted the importance of sports in fostering unity and holistic development.
Mairang Mission School, aga state ke tungi, ngam tip kai kabanjia bagabanlong, jaga pui buti, kabagi kun samla, lele ke bangni baro, irayo, jaga nega benta, adu nega kuat benta. Lesim nega nega benta, don kabalang, kabadan ini tiada aga insang salah.
In recent years, Shillong